Good evening. Good evening. My name is Anthony. This is Trading with the Family. Listen, family, it's time to get it going. It's time to go up. It's time to be successful. It's time to make some things happen and stop sitting around on the sideline, but get in the game. I'm so excited about what's going on with these stocks. I'm so excited about the big move that's coming. I've been charting and looking at Amazon for the last few months. I've been in and out of Amazon, and now there's some big moves coming. There's some great things getting ready to happen, and so we do not want to miss any of what's getting ready to happen. And I'm going to show you just a few time signatures that I have mapped out on Amazon, and then from there, you can kind of make a decision on what you want to do. On what you want to do, you can get in with the shares, or you can get in with the options. Get in where you fit in. Get in where you're comfortable. Get in and help create some wealth for your family and for your lineage. And let's get it going. All right, let me go to my chart, and I want to show you just a couple of things, and then from there we will be done. This will just take about 5 minutes of your time. If this is your first time here, like and subscribe. Here we will be done. I had to check my volume. Like and subscribe. Let me know that you are appreciating the content. We dropped the video on VTI. We left some other information for you guys last week, and we're going to try and start doing videos daily. So if you can, support the channel. If you're interested in investing, please do not miss this opportunity. Do not miss this season to get in on what's going on in the market. For so long, we've not been able to capitalize off of the market because we weren't in the market. But now that we're in the market, we definitely want to capitalize on what's going on. So like and subscribe, share, and let somebody know that, listen, this is the season, this is the time, this is when we can make some moves and make some money. And I'm just excited about what's going on. And let's check out these charts, and I'm going to be done. So Amazon, let's talk about Amazon. This is Trading with the Family. So I came up with this channel, and it was basically to help the family that wanted to get into investing. If you want to start investing, if you have some money saved up, or you have some money and it's just kind of been on the sideline, please do not miss this opportunity of a lifetime with these stocks. So I'm going to get into the charts. I got texting a few people. People are coming on to check out what's going on. But this is definitely the season and the time to get invested in the market. So let's look at Amazon. Let's see if I can share my screen. Screen is shared. And so we want to look at Amazon. I'm using software. It's called Cheat Code. And this allows me to see buy and sell signals. This allows me to see support and resistance. If you see those clouds, when we have, like here, we have a not a real sharp sell on Amazon, but it was a sell nonetheless. As long as Amazon stays under that red cloud and did not break 183.52, you could trade that to the downside all day. But once we broke 180, what was it? 183, looks like 52, somewhere in that area, we got a buy. Upon triggering that buy, now you want to go to the upside. Also remember that anytime that we're trading and you're above this blue line, that's the 200-day moving average. So if you're above the 200-day moving average, you always want to trade and buy to the upside. We're looking here at 182.10. There's a lot of support. We touched that several times on the daily. June 24, June, what is that? No, June 14, 17, 18, and then we bounced off of it. And then just the other day, I think it was Friday, we had a nice solid close above 187, and we hadn't done that all the way back for a long time. And so what we want to do when we're looking on the daily time frame, we're looking at Amazon. I want to zoom out and show you TP1. These TPs are take profit. So this is telling me on the cheat code that my first take profit level, if I'm playing an option or a swing trade on this, my first take profit is up at 194.43. My second take profit, look at that, is 199, and then 203, all the way up to 213. So there is a big move coming because cheat code does not lie. Let me swing out and show you this on we're going to look at the larger time frames, because this is where the money is made right here, guys. This is where the money is made. Somebody put that in the chat. But if we look at, let's come to the 3-day. On the 3-day, and this kind of gives you a better picture of what's going on. If we look at the 3-day, we can see that we're consolidating, and there's been a lot of consolidating for a long time, that we wicked out of 190, basically 191. This next move that's coming is going to throw us over that $200 mark. Once we're over that $200 mark, this thing is going to run. I want to show you the buy that was initiated all the way back in February. This was 1 February 2024. We got a buy on the 3-day, and we've been sitting in that buy. We went on a sharp, well, not a sharp, but we went on a run up. This took us to 11 April 2024, and then we got a lower low, a lower high, and another lower high, and then we wicked all the way down. I have to look and see what happened on Wednesday, the 24th of April. It must have been CPI or some news or something, but we have a nice large V-shaped recovery here, and now Amazon is setting up, y'all. Let me show you on the weekly. It's setting up for a big move. Let's go to the monthly and then swing back to the weekly, and we'll be done, because I don't want to keep you long. But like and subscribe, and I want to show you this right here. Look at this. This is the monthly chart. Our next move up on the monthly chart, we're wicking down right here. And this is all on TP1. We're playing in this small area right here. We're up to 191. We're down to 166. It's a small area that we've been consolidating in all the way back to March. I mean, end of the first quarter. And if you look at this move up, this was a nice push up when we got this buy back June 23. So this move has been happening for a while, but then now we got the push up in February all the way up to 177, and we just been trading sideways. This next move is the move. And let me show you on the 3-month what's forming, or what's already formed. Look at this, y'all. There's a cup and handle and a buy. Huge cup and handle has formed. And let me know what you see, but that's what I see. I see a huge move coming. And then look on the 3-month chart. Oh my gosh, this is October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. This is pushing us up to 230, 270 areas. I'm not saying it's going to hit that immediately, but TP1 over the next 3 months, and we're in June, July, August, September. Listen, you can position yourself for some nice Christmas money by getting in some nice calls. Not financial advice, not me saying that you're going to make the money, but listen, plan your trades, write your trades down, and look at this. Look at what's happening into the end of the year on Amazon. I really think when we have this next election, whoever becomes the president, they're going to crash this thing on us in the new year after we know who the next president is. So make the money while you can. Listen, if you're enjoying this, these plays and these ideas, give me a like and a subscribe, but share this information. Get your shares, get your options, however you want to trade it, whatever you want to do, covered calls. But this looks really good to me. This looks really good to me. But I did not want to leave you on the limb. There's a big move coming. This is on the 3-month. And I want to show you one more thing that I saw a few minutes ago. I was charting this and I thought I had my volume on. I didn't have the volume on. But look on the 6-month. Oh my gosh. See, when you zoom out and look at these larger time frames with a lower low, lower high, higher high, a higher high, higher high, higher high. I'm saying lower high, but it's a higher high. All the way up, y'all, to where we are now, and it wicked down just a little bit. But look what's getting ready to happen. We are getting ready to trigger a buy at 193, roughly 193.15. So write that number down, because that's going to be when we trigger this buy on this 6-month. This thing is about to go. So and we're about 6 months out from the end of the year. So if you do the measured move on that, I mean, this thing could really get up out of here and go. And so if you look at that 3-month chart and look at where we are with the buy getting ready to trigger on the 6-month, good things can happen in just this one ticker. You don't have to trade a lot of positions to make the money that you want. You could just trade Nvidia. You could just trade Nvidia up, Nvidia down, and you'd be good. You could trade Amazon. You could trade Apple. You could trade any of these tickers up and down, and you would be good. Let me see if I can show you. We've been trading Apple with Bucky and Chrissy, with Cheat Code with Quay, in the challenge right now. And look at Apple on the 6-month. Let me go back down to the daily on Apple and we're done, because I actually was talking about Amazon, but I want to show you, and I'm going to move all the lines off the chart. Remove. This will be real quick. I think there's a way I can remove all of them. But Apple, when it broke over 200, I think this is the same thing that Amazon is getting ready to do. It was consolidating sideways for all this time. And let me zoom out to the monthly. See what it was doing? Right here, we got a buy back in May 2023. All the way back in May, it had been consolidating. We had a sale. We came out of that sale. We triggered a buy at 171.67, and boom, we went in a buy. It went up a little bit, and then it just traded sideways, kind of up and down. And then we got a descending triangle, which is bullish, a descending wedge rather, and a falling wedge, and then it's bullish, and then it's bam. I mean, the thing just took off. When it got over 200, and look at where Cheat Code was giving you an entry. Cheat Code was giving the entry at 177. So if you just simply follow the Cheat Code and do a leap or a long call, would have already been in for this run up. You know, if you're trading a larger time frame, sometimes you'll make more money than scalping, unless you're doing SPX or something like that, a 10-time multiplier. But I just wanted to show you that, and just keep your eye out for what's getting ready to go down with Amazon. This is getting ready to be big. But I want to show you, when these things break out, when it broke above 200, I mean, it's gone. And so you want to be in on the front end. You don't want to chase. You don't want to be trying to catch things when they're on the run, but you want to get in on the front end and really enjoy that run up. All right, guys, my name is Anthony. This is Trading with the Family. Just another idea, another stock, Amazon, Apple, 2 bangers, 2 stocks that you could literally buy for years and retire earlier rather than working until you're 65 and 70 years old. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the charting. Let me know what you think could be better. We're just getting going. But leave some comments down there. Let me know what you're buying, what you're trading this week. Take care.